Welcome again, guys, to my channel. If you're new, my name is Akona. I'm on a journey to lose weight. Today I am so excited. A friend of mine released his new single, so he gave me permission to play his song. So this is the one that you are hearing, guys. It's his single. So yeah, from now on I'll be playing his music like non-stop. I have to support my friend. So yeah, if you want to listen to his music, I'm gonna leave a link on my description. You can also find him here on YouTube. I'll leave the link also to his channel. So let's get to the business of the day. So today we're going to be doing a normal routine, the ones that you know. We're doing the normal routine. So if you still remember, most I said I will be doing a jump rope challenge starting this week on Monday. I did start on Monday, but I stopped on Wednesday because I injured my knee. My knee is injured, guys. So today I'm trying to, that's why I'm running. I just wanted to see if I'm getting better or what. But I can see that at least I'm better than before. So this morning I started with the treadmill. As you can see, I didn't position the phone correctly, so it cut my head off. It's funny, but I had to share it with you guys. I didn't want to delete it. I just wanted you guys to see the struggle that we go through when we are doing these videos. It's not just a walk in the park, it's a struggle. So today I won't be doing much of the talking. I'll just get on with it. If you have a chance, you can just do it with me. It's, you know, most it's only simple exercises for plus size and beginner friendly. So yeah, let's just get to it. not supposed to be doing the squats here, guys, but as you know, squats is one of my favorite exercises. So if I don't do them, I feel like I didn't do anything. So yeah, that's how I did the squats. But even though I was struggling, but I had to do them, guys. But if you feel like you cannot do the squats, please do not do the squats. Stay away from them until you feel better. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. The support is highly appreciated. We'll see each other again on the next video. Stay blessed.